Trieste, 1892. In the economic capital of the Austrian-Hungarian Empire, the commander of the Austrian merchant fleet, Hermann Hausbrandt, founded the first Triestine coffee roasting company. The fascinating story of the Hausbrandt brand and its fortune started there, from its origins linked to the introduction of a range of modern strategies. The use of the most advanced technology, such as the first machines to use electric motors, began in order to create a perfect roasting and the cooling system to preserve the unique aroma of Hausbrandt coffee. The creation of a very efficient distribution network provided Hausbrandt with a good reputation in terms of rapid and punctual deliveries. Trieste was the natural choice for the company headquarters because the city is located at the crossroads of richness and various cultures of Central Europe. The company has now overcome its first glorious century. Since 1988, it's been run by the entrepreneur Martino Zanetti, who is currently writing the most recent chapters with a perfect balance between tradition and innovation. The company values and culture have been updated without neglecting those very same values. Beginning with the name, Hausbrandt, Trieste, 1892. The difficult path in producing total quality began way back and far away, in other countries, in coffee-producing countries. The meticulous selection of coffee beans from the best plantations and the best varieties is an inexhaustible task in quality control. Only the world's best coffee beans make it to the port of Trieste for the delicate roasting stage. The roasting process is slow and natural, using the most modern technology available. The temperature rises gradually, continually monitored by computers to produce all the flavors that make Hausbrandt coffee unique. Completing the roasting process, the coffee is rapidly cooled in order to trap all the valuable flavors in each coffee bean. With this passion and care, the Hausbrandt coffee blends are created. And are continually improved by expert tasters and monitored by technology. After maturation, which brings out and balances all the sought-after qualities, it's then packed to trap the flavor and aroma, which is then let out in every cup of Hausbrandt coffee. The coffee is rich in aromas and needs to be savored slowly. Hints of cocoa beans, ripe tropical fruit, spices, citrus fruit, white flowers, and dried fruit. Each time it's a special experience. There's the fine, shiny, and thick cream, the flavor that hangs in the air, and the full body. For people who are looking for something really exclusive, Hausbrandt provides a fine range of coffees. 6 different types from the world's leading coffee-producing countries, each with a unique flavor. Today, more than 100 years after its foundation, Hausbrandt sells throughout the world across a network of more than 17,000 selected outlets, proof of the quality and success of this Triestine brand. creativity and passion the company puts into its coffee making has inevitably brought Hausbrandt closer to the world of culture. The company created the Venetian Coffee Academy, a gastronomic and cultural experience to bring back the spirit of Venetian cafes in the 18th century, all involving selected operators. Thus, the Intraprese project, where Hausbrandt works alongside the Guggenheim Foundation on artistic promotions. The same spirit, open to the influences of both tradition and modernity, can be seen in the Hausbrandt logo and graphics, symbolic expressions of quality and exclusivity, and have made it the recipient of the prestigious award of the Brand Design Association of New York. Alongside this, coffee consumers have the unmistakable taste of Hausbrandt espresso. Coffee drinking is a ritual in which there's the care and sensitivity of man that requires perfect harmony and the ideal blend of aromas and flavors. So Hausbrandt has created Coffee Excellence, a constant training and assistance program for professionals in the sector. A place of exchange where you can develop and transmit all the knowledge necessary for the creation of a real coffee culture dedicated to excellence. In this way, Hausbrandt is a companion for the most authentic and intimate moments of life, away from the frenetic pace of daily life. The intense flavor of Hausbrandt coffee is a unique pleasure, an irreplaceable ritual capable of turning a break into a pleasurable experience. Hausbrandt, an emotion that's been around since 1892, unique and exclusive. Excellent by tradition.